Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps now. Make sure you have both parent and child Apple ID and that Family Link apps are downloaded. You need both apps installed on their respective devices. Once done, open the parent app and sign in with your Google account. Then follow the on-screen prompt to create a child account or link an existing one. This immediately starts pairing and lets you grant permissions for supervision and location access. Continue by linking the child device. You'll be prompted to generate a code on the parent app and enter it on the child's iPhone or scan a QR code. This secures the pair. Then grant required permissions, location, device management prompts, and screen time controls, so Family Link can enforce rules. Make sure to configure content filters and app approvals while you're here, because these settings determine what the child can access and how screen time is calculated and enforced. Finish by testing the setup. Request an app from the child account, check location reporting, and confirm screen time limits activate. If something fails, restart both iPhones to ensure permissions take effect. That often resolves background permission issues. If problems persist, go into iPhone settings to reauthorize location and background app refresh for Family Link and relink accounts in the app. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling the app permissions and then restarting typically clears lingering authorization errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.